I think that's good enough. Ngojeni, aya, kujeni. Simama vile tusimama. Hauna tuionje? Haya, kuna nini?
Haijatokea.
Choni mzuri? Kikana na kikamba tuzili. Wabanini. Kiswahili biba tano kikamba tuyo? EF A B C D E ni sisi okile A B elevate poverty. We have to end the culture. My Lord chapter supported. Niandikie si ile.
Kidogo tu. Look like you're talking kidogo tu.
No, tunataka kama nini? Maendeleo Chapchap Party extends goodwill to His Excellency the President Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta, the Right Honorable Raila Amolo. Ni Amolo?
Amolo.
Repeat.
Maendeleo Chapchap Party extends its goodwill to His Excellency the President Uhuru Kenyatta, to the Right Honorable Raila Odinga, and other BBI partners by withdrawing its candidate from the forthcoming Machakos senatorial by-election. It is our expectation that in the same spirit, our partners will reciprocate our goodwill. Finally, to our supporters, we know you've been ready to unanimously vote for our candidate, and we thank you. You've worked hard, you've campaigned, you've been out there campaigning because you know we are on an agenda of Chapchap development. The decision we have made today is a strategic and tactical decision made in the best interests of our members, our supporters, and our future plans. Because this party, we expect this party to be the party that forms government in 2022. Following the statement issued by His Excellency the President today, calling on friendly political parties, especially in Machakos, to find a peaceful, amicable, and uniting way forward during the upcoming elections, we wish to state the following. As Maendeleo Chapchap Party that supports the Handshake and the Building Bridges initiative, we believe that one, the unity of this country is essential to fast-track development and alleviate poverty. Number two, we also believe that we have to end the culture of divisive and winner-takes-it-all politics. Number three, regarding Machakos, we believe that our candidate, Mheshimiwa Mutua Katoko, has the best chance to clinch the Senate seat on Thursday, March 18, 2021. We have campaigned, we have the people on our side, and it's very, very clear that we have a very good chance. Number four, Maendeleo Chapchap Party supported the re-election of President Uhuru Kenyatta. And in the spirit of consistency, We support his development agenda and the political stability of the nation. 5. In this regard, so as to ensure the national unity agenda succeeds and that detractors such as those fellas we are calling the UDA do not get an opportunity to roll back the achievements so far achieved in this country and the unity that we want and the stability that we seek, we have decided the following.